Adding or editing a service item in Pet Sitter Plus is straightforward and allows you to define the services you offer. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. First, log in to your Pet Sitter Plus dashboard. Once you're on the home screen, navigate to the Admin tab on the left-hand menu. This will automatically open your service list. You'll see that we've included some sample services that may match the services you offer in your business. Firstly, we will create a new service for a morning pickup for daycare. Click the Add New button. When creating a new service, you need to provide a short description. This is used internally on the schedule and on smaller screens, like your phone, and clients won't see this description. Next, enter the long description. This will be visible to clients in the portal and on their invoices, so it should be clear and easy to understand. You may notice the Copy Data From field, which is useful if you want to copy the details and rules from another service as a template for editing your new service. While we won't be using this feature in this example, we'll explain how to use it in more detail in a later video. Once you have entered the short and long descriptions, the final step is to click Create New Service Item. On the next page, add the price your clients will pay. And if you pay staff by the service, add the staff pay amount. Now let's explore some options for setting up your services. The first option, Restrict to Pet Types, is useful if you care for different types of pets, such as dogs and cats. By adding dog here, this service will only be displayed to clients who have added a dog. Using this Restrict to Pet Types function is optional. Selecting a service group is beneficial for filtering the schedule and reports by category, allowing you to view only specific services such as daycare or walking services. Some service groups have already been set up, but you can also add new ones or edit or delete the existing groups. We'll go into more detail about this in another video. Assigning a color to your services is helpful for visually distinguishing similar services on the schedule. For example, you could display all daycare services in purple, making it easier to identify them at a glance. Don't forget to click Update to save your new service. Now, let's look at editing an existing service. In your demo software, we provide a list of typical services that cover many aspects of pet care. You'll notice that some services have sample at the end. These have been fully set up to demonstrate how to add scheduling times and price and staff pay rules. We'll cover these topics in our videos titled Adding a Time Block, Adding a Price Rule, and Adding a Staff Pay Rule. You can customize any of the services we've included, so let's go ahead and edit the price of a private 30-minute dog walk. Let's change the price from $20 to $15. Once you've made the adjustment, click Update to save your changes. Remember, it's crucial to click Update before leaving the screen, otherwise your changes will not be saved. And that's it! You've now set up a new service and edited an existing one in Pet Sitter Plus. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about Pet Sitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.